Hi, my name is Doug Grills. I'm the owner of AutoStream Car Care. And today I want to talk to you about Autoshop Solutions. They're an online marketing company that we've been using for 10 years. We were with Autoshop Solutions early in our history, and for reasons that I take full responsibility for, we actually left Autoshop and went to another competitor who was at the time sort of the hot topic of the day and was sort of almost like the new shiny penny in the industry. And we went to them and started using them to handle our online marketing, and we could tell right away it was a huge change. We started losing calls, the call volume started going down, the people on my team were asking me about it. I knew within 2 months that we'd made a huge mistake, and within about 6 months or so, I got a phone call back from someone at Autoshop, thank goodness, and asking me how things were going. I said, you know what, we've made a big mistake and we need to come back. And when we did come back, literally, you could plot those phone calls on a graph and things completely turned around. And we've come back now where we're doing, we're receiving hundreds of phone calls a week now. That's consistently where we're at as a company. And we owe all of that activity and all of that analysis and drive to Autoshop. It was a lesson that was hard to learn, but I'm glad we did it because we learned the hard way that when you want to get great results, you got to be with the best people that really understand the market, and that's Autoshop Solutions.